In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. If you accidentally removed something important from your drive, don't worry. Most deleted items are moved to a holding area first, so you can bring them back in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact process on the web, keeping it simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and going to Google's homepage. At the top right, you'll see the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click that to open the menu of Google Services. From there, choose Drive to launch Google Drive. If you prefer, you can also head straight to drive.google.com. The experience will be the same. Here's the key idea. When you delete a file in Google Drive, it isn't gone immediately. It's moved to a special folder called Bin, sometimes labeled Trash depending on your region or language. This gives you a window of time to restore it before it's permanently removed. In most cases, items in Bin are automatically cleared after a period, so it's best to restore them as soon as you notice they're missing. Once Drive is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Bin. This view shows everything you've recently deleted from your drive. Take a moment to scan the list and identify the file or folder you want back. If you see several items with similar names, glance at the last modified or deleted dates to confirm you're picking the right one. When you've found it, right-click the item to open the context menu. In that menu, click Restore. Drive will immediately return the item to the location it was in before you deleted it, whether that's a folder in My Drive or a shared folder you had access to. You might see a brief confirmation message letting you know the restore worked. Right after restoring, you'll often have the option to click Show File Location. Go ahead and select that to jump straight to the folder where the file now lives. This is especially helpful if you weren't sure where the file originally was, or if you're working across multiple folders and shared drives. Once you're there, you can open the file, move it to a new folder for safekeeping, or continue working as usual. That's all there is to it. Go to Drive, open Bin, right-click the deleted item, restore it, and use Show File Location to confirm exactly where it landed. With this simple workflow, you can quickly undo accidental deletions and keep your projects on track.